Hello students, welcome back guys. Now in that tutorial I have to apply that one pictures. Now guys I would apply that retouch options where I have to apply that tooth whiteness options on the picture. And now guys we could apply that makeup options on it guys. Where I have to choose that one beautiful lipstick for our lips. Now guys I would choose the beautiful color for her hair guys. And that one color have been chosen for her hair, I have to select that one color. And now guys we could also apply that reshape and enlarge options for the pictures. Students, that's the